Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom labels in Trello. Now, here you can see guys, I'm in Trello guys, and I have three lists. I have a list with the color new, with the label new, one here with doing in progress, and other one with another label called complete. Now, in case you want to create a new label, you can easily go ahead and create one two ways, right? You can right click on an existing, let's say, card, and you have edit label. From here you'll have the option to create a new label from here. Now another way how you can easily find it is if you click the three dots on the upper right hand side of any one of these boards, you'll have the option to click on labels, and you can create a new label from here, and from here you can give it whatever you want. So let's say I want to call this one let's say implement, right? And I can go ahead and I can choose the color that I want. So let's say I will choose this bold black here as an or this bold black one here, as you can see. Let's say that's the one that I want to choose. Then simple click and create, and immediately you will see that it's created and it's added there. So whenever you're ready guys, you can always go ahead and choose where you want to add it. So let's say I don't want to use the word complete, but I want to use the word implement. I can always go there and I can change the label here, click on that, and I can choose it. Or I can add multiple labels, as you can see here. So I can add both if I want, then click on save, and that's it. So here you can see that I have both labels added to this one. And that's all there is to it. That's how to go ahead and create custom labels in Trello.